Hi everyone, Eugene here. I'm with Gale Spring. He's a past presenter at the Forensic Photography Symposium, and he is invited back. January 22nd to 25th, he is going to be speaking about expert testimony. So Gale, thank you so much for participating again. We always benefit from your experience. Tell me about your presentation.
Well, the presentation is a little bit of the personal experience that I've had over 30 years or so of presenting evidence in court. And I can tell you now, it's not for the faint-hearted. Actually sitting up and being in the spotlight and being interrogated, if you will, on technical issues and other things around forensic photography is really kind of nerve-wracking. And I'd like to share some of the experiences I've had and give you a few helpful hints, maybe, of how to get through that unscathed.
And you probably have run into a few little interesting things over your career. Are you going to be sharing some of those tidbits with us?
Definitely be sharing some of those. You tend to learn a little bit by experience, although I have had some good teachers in the past of how they've gotten through this. And some of the things that I've adopted, I think I would like to share, because presenting technical information sometimes can be a bit daunting to a jury, and you need to know how to communicate. You need to know how to speak to them. And so there are several important points that I'll be sharing.
Well, you've been a great communicator, excellent teacher, and love your presentation. So thank you so much for being back there. Folks, if you're interested, click on the link below. You can register for the symposium, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, Gale.
Thanks a lot, Eugene.